Regresé con otro video. Sí, es tu favorita morenita up in the building. I am back. Regresé con otro video, mi gente. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm very holiday ready. I'm very whatever ready. If it has to do with glitter, if it has to do with sparkle, if it has to do with me being extra and giving you hair. And not only did I come back with a new video, your girl is back at it again. And I'm partnering up with e.l.f. to bring to you today's holiday makeup tutorial. I'm so happy to be doing this video today because I just wanted to let you know that you can go off and still be on a budget. Period. No, I'm not getting rid of period. Period is still coming to 2020. Period. Okay? So for today's makeup look, it is all about the holidays. e.l.f. now has holiday kits sold only at Target. Exclusively sold at Target or Target.com. You're not gonna wanna miss this look because this look is not only affordable, she's exclusive. And who don't wanna be exclusive? I didn't think so. So get your wallets ready. Ábrese su cartera. ¿Cómo se dice wallets? ¿Cartera? No? Comment down below how the hell you say cartera. Okay, no quiero oír nada. Y'all about to spend some coins. Let's start from scratch. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, y vamos a comenzar. All right, so what I'm gonna do first, this hair today, como like, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. primer pop set. Again, this is a $20 value, you guys, and you're gonna get this for $15. We have here the poreless putty primer, the hydrating face primer, and the mineral infused face primer on the go. Let's hydrate. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. hydrating face primer on the go. Este aquí, yes. Ooh. Oh my goodness, eso se siente tan rico. And it's so soft. Like, I love when primers do that, where it's like super soft. For my face, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Foundation in the color Spice. Hold on. This color is a little bit more warmer. Listen, in the wintertime, my complexion changes, y'all. Like, I change. Like, my undertone decides to just do all funny types of things. But this foundation, the way it sets, first of all, let's just go right in. I'm just gonna apply. First of all, look how thick that is. And I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Sweet Tooth Sponge Trio. And we're just going to jump right in. Ooh. So you can see she's a little bit warmer, but Spice, again, y'all. Spice sets beautiful. Look at that. And this e.l.f. sponge. You know when something's so good that it's like, do I even really want to tell y'all? Because this is a problem. It is so soft. Try not to get it on my lace. Yes. Just a little bit more right there. Because we need that foo-foo. We need that foo-foo. Ooh, chile. I'm gonna go in next with my e.l.f. HD powder. And you're probably like, girl, calm down. No, this is completely transparent. I'm literally just gonna take un poquito, whatever's on this cap. I have less than that. So I'm just going to set my face. Moving on to my brows, I'm gonna go in with the Ultra Precisely Brow Pencil, and I believe this one is a natural brown. You know I'm good for losing a cat. I'm gonna take, what is this, Deep Chestnut to clean up these brows. So I'm gonna use this precision brush right here to kind of apply my e.l.f. pomade over my eyebrows. And you can find this brush also in the holiday kit. It's a great angle brush for your brows. These are 3 of the holiday kits that you can get over at Target. Next we have the Hot Chocolate Eyes, and this is in the color, the palette is called Spice. I'm gonna take this beautiful brown. I'm gonna start to kind of like define our crease a little bit. Ooh. And I'm just going to pat that in. Y'all, look at how gorgeous. So. Okay. Again, you want to go under your brow bone. If you want more pigment, pat. If you want to blow out, blow it out. But I think I'm just going to pat. And I'm just going to pat that in. Y'all, look at how gorgeous. Do y'all see it, the pigment? So I'm just going to drag it towards the center of my eye. And I'm just going to blow it out. Mira que belleza. Oh my gosh, there's so many pretty colors. Let me see. Ooh, I'm doing this. Hold on. I'm going to do like this gorgeous, hold on, can y'all see it? This pink rose gold-ish. It's not even, it's like a sparkle. Like it literally looks like sparkle. Does anybody else get excited? But I can't get over this pigment. This palette is really giving me life right now. Like, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna soften out the brown with this gorgeous kind of like tan kind of color, and I'm just gonna like blow it out a little bit more. Can we just talk? Look at that pigment. That's insane. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. eyeliner, and this is the H2O proof eyeliner, period. Boop. Oh, yes. Do you understand how I feel when a liner is black and is affordable? Like, oh, I can't right now. Moving on to el otro ojo. Cause I'm just, like, sometimes I look at myself and I'm like, Monica, like, we're not the best, but like, we be really out here doing stuff. Like, it makes me really happy. Go back in with that brown, and we're just going to go under. For some reason, my left eye is a lot easier for me to do. Does anybody else get really? Like, look at that pigment. ¿Ustedes están mirando? Then I'm gonna go in with that gorgeous pink sparkle. Okay. So we're just gonna make sure, because in a few we are going to smoke this whole thing out, baby. For my lashes, I'm gonna go in with Drama Queen because I feel like this look is completely dramatica. These are some faux mink lashes and they're so extra. Let's pop these on. Oh, I'm sorry, because hello. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Ooh, chile, chile, chile. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, time for the part that like, I be going off or whatever. Where's my concealer at? I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and this is in Deep Chestnut. This is e.l.f. Hello 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Baby, we're gonna take this guy right here. Oh yeah, look at that doe foot. I like saying this now because when I shot with them in New York, I was like, oh my gosh, I love doe foot. Like, I just think it's such a cool word. And look at how much product comes out of that. Look at that. Y'all, this concealer is so thick. I am so here for this coverage. And I don't know if y'all saw my e.l.f. because I was also, I know, young girl was also in the Elf video, and I showed you guys how I contour using their 60-hour Camo concealer too. So I'm gonna use Rich Ebony in this video too, because that's what I did in that video. I'm just saying. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's my hair. Every week she keeps growing and growing. I'm just gonna, ooh, right there. Just need a little bit of warmth. I don't like doing too much on the forehead because se ve medio como raro. I'm gonna take that same doe foot, and then we're just gonna contour the nose. Yeah. Whew. I'm just gonna drag it inward. Cause baby, let me tell you who's about to be snapped up for whatever festivity this is. Monica. And I'm gonna take my sponge. Elf, I'm gonna need a few more of these because these are kind of popping. Okay. Ooh, Chile. This is like, I just love when it's flat. I don't know if you guys realize, like it just kind of like does everything you need. I definitely need to smoke out under my waterline. I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous brown once again, and we're just going to pat, baby. Y'all, look at that color. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Like, you're literally getting this palette. You're getting 15 shades for $10 with this holiday kit. Stop playing games and got in su cuarto. So let's bake with my HD powder. Y'all, this looks so pretty. I cannot. Okay, what am I looking for? My mascara. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Plump It Up mascara for my bottom lashes. And you could press up against the top ones. Now, as you all know, I always set under my eye with a light powder just to really, tráeme el muñeca, the muñeca out of me has to come out. Yes. Next, I'm gonna go back in with Rich Ebony, and I'm just gonna warm it up on the back of my hand and do a little bit of more extra contouring. So I'm kind of like doing it where it doesn't go on as cream, because I don't want that. Blend it. I'm gonna go in with e.l.f.'s blush in Always Fury. Fury? Y'all know what I'm trying to say? Like, ooh, yes. A good orange really brings the color and the youthfulness. Take your sponge, back into the sin. Like, it just looks like, you just look youthful. Blush is life. Yay! I'm so happy with the way this look is turning out. Y'all have no idea. I'm gonna take whatever is left of my concealer, and I'm gonna contour my lips. Next, I'm gonna go in with another holiday kit. It's these bad boys right here. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Candy Kisses Lip Balm Trio. I'm gonna take this gorgeous kind of like nude pinky. And it's almost like a tinted lip balm, but it looks so good. I'm gonna go in next with e.l.f.'s Lip Plumping Gloss. And this one is in Pink Sugar. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. highlighter in Rose Gold. Ooh. I'm actually gonna even add a little shimmer to my body. I'm also gonna go back in with that palette and create a little bit more of like un momentico. In the teardrop area, I'm gonna take this gorgeous sparkle color, and we're just going to I'm gonna blow out. I also then topped it off with this like money gold right there. Ese ahí. Because I really want to like blow it out right here. You guys, here is the funnel. Look, like, this is so pretty. Yo no me conozco ahora mismo, ni me hablen, por favor. Like, all right, let me stop looking at myself because I'm talking to y'all. Like, ugh, I'm sorry. So what I was saying, this is the final look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for, if you guys managed to watch the rest of this video, just what? Because like this is gold, but it's like a money gold, you feel me? It's not como un regular gold. Lo puse en el teardrop y lo hizo como un momento. I am so impressed. These products are stunning. You can now shop these holiday kits ahora mismo at Target.com or at your local Target store or whatever. Gata en su cuarto. Can we just get into this sleigh? Huh? What were you saying? What child was saying about your girl? Ni me conozco. Muñeca, no wig who it is. Okay, guys, let me get it together. So happy with this look. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm gassing myself up or whatever, but sometimes you gotta do that for yourself, okay? Shout outs to Elle for partnering up with your chica. Quiero a todo, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, y lo ven en el próximo video. Adiós.